Somebody's birthday.
It's my birthday. Big trick.
It's a really big bag. What do you
It
think's
is
in it?
Let's have a look. Number one. It's a towel. It's a towel. You know, I wanted this for so long.
You can't travel without a towel.
No. The aliens are coming. That's a reference to Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, in case you didn't know. But let's know what it is. I can see it.
What is it?
It's a DJI. It's a drone. We told you doing an unboxing. Oh wow! Look at it. Oh man. Flammo bundle. It's the Flammo bundle.
Awesome.
Can we open it? How do you open it? Let's do an unboxing. Stop. We'll get stuff to unbox. Yeah, on the unboxing things, the guy just like, and then suddenly he's in. But that's not the real life. They obviously made one earlier. Oh no, I got it. I've got it. I'm in. Don't worry, everyone. I'm in. Unboxing. It's supposed to be satisfying, but now it's just annoying. You want to be at the toy already. Okay. We'll put that in there. There must be like some way to open.
Oh, some way to open it.
And in case you're wondering, the DJI, it comes with its own box.
More unboxing of unboxing.
More unboxing of unboxing. Move that to one side. Zip. Oh, it goes around like this. And for the big reveal, ha! Oh, this is it. This is the actual drone. I'm going to lift it up. It's so small. It is so small. How does this thing fly?
I assume it's all going to unfold and stuff.
Oh, it's got a really nice, that new drone smell. Oh, yes, I'm going to put that to one side. Oh, it's so small and delicate. And then there are bits in here. Obviously, this is like a travel case.
Yeah, I think so. Like,
And then plastic openings of things.
what's that?
Oh, this must be the controller.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah, I'm not sure. And you have sticks somewhere. They're obviously
Some assembly required.
and some learning, some YouTubing. Anyway, so controller, paperwork. Oh, maybe the paperwork will tell you how to open it. And then other things like this, which is batteries, spare batteries.
Cool.
I really thought that they would. Oh, they do. They just pop out.
And there's a space for another one.
There's space for another one. So there's probably one in here.
Okay.
It's hard to tell
Have to read and find out where the batteries go.
where the batteries go, but they're extra pack. And then more stuff.
What possibly could I
More
ask
labels.
you need?
Or maybe cables and chargers and things.
Ah, yeah.
Probably need all that. Box full of goodies. Not cables and chargers. Oh, they're extra blades.
Okay.
Extra propellers.
They're anticipating that you might crash.
Yeah, I'm going to crash a lot. And then cables. Loads of cables. And, oh, this looks like a little screwdriver.
Oh, wow.
Oh, I think this is for the propellers. Because they have a little screw in there somehow. You see, and you can take your propellers and put your new ones in. And then loads of cables. You know what this probably means? That it all has to be charged up.
Probably have to let's get a charge. Let's get it charged.
Let's go charging.
How does this work? Because I thought you put a phone somewhere.
Yeah. I don't know what that is. I'm not going to pull that off just yet. Maybe you got to push a button. Maybe just open it up.
Right, gonna read something.
There we are.
Open.
Oh, that's where the phone goes.
Okay.
Oh, and this cable connects it. But that's the iPhone one. That's why you have other ones. So this is for mine.
Nice.
No, this one's for Ricky's. This one's for mine. Oh, cool.
Awesome. So if you change phones, you can just change.
You just change your cable.
That's so cool. Right, well, we're going to read some stuff.
I'm flying. Oh, and they got the little things underneath.
Little thing. Oh, the controlly doodads. Okay, so when you pack it away, you unscrew that.
And you pop it back in
And
here.
you put it in this... wow.
And then you close that up.
And then it fits back in its travel case.
And...
Oh, and that's actually hard. Nice.
And then pop it back in there. And off you go. So you've got the little box with the drone. I'm totally going to unwrap this. Maybe I should do that now.
No, I think you should read first.
Okay.
We'll get back to you.
We'll get back to you. Charge on Ricky's phone charger.
Charge on Ricky's phone charger.
Have a look here. This is in, so you put that in to charge it. This is out, so it works as like a power bank.
Oh, cool.
So like if you're on the road and you need to charge something, you can just charge it straight out of that.
Without it being plugged into the charger.
Well, anyway, I'm going to try to plug this into my charger, which didn't completely work at all.
How do you know if it's doing something?
Lights should come on. Oh, there we are. Look.
Lights. Okay, and
They said it's a smart charger, which means the one that's the most full will be charged first, so you can get going straight away.
okay, so it's going to ignore the other ones and focus on one that you can actually use. Oh, that's
Yeah.
cool.
But it's only got 2 lights. How long is it going to be until we can get flying?
We don't know. We'll get back to you. What's pretty cool is like they kind of tell you this one goes that way. You know, there's an arrow, and this one goes that way. It's quite helpful.
Yeah, no, it does. They put stickers everywhere.
Yeah.
They're
it's
really
cool little-
idiot-proofing it.
I think so. I hope so.
Got myself an SD card, and I assume it goes in here. That's sort of... Oh, yeah, no, that is right.
The SD card doesn't come with. So
Yeah.
note, if you're buying one of these, you need to buy your SD card separately.
Okay, there we go. Pop in. Pop out.
I think you can probably plug it into the computer as well to download the stuff. I'm not sure. Have to find out. You're on this journey with us. So it's been about 2 hours. I'm going to distract Brian with some breakfast noodles and bread. But we've got one battery charged.
One battery charge, and the controller has one more blip to go.
And the man is stressing.
I'm so nervous. Shaking.
Have some noodle.
Breakfast.
Yeah. Good.
It's one of our videos. It's got to have food in it.
Of course. Some noodles with chicken. We're fully charged. I think it took, what, 2 hours?
Yeah, it seems about 2 hours.
Okay.
Well, to get one battery and to get the controller charged.
One battery and controller are charged.
Battery is in. I put it in.
Battery's in.
Click on. I'm going to take the gimbal
Protector off.
protector off. I'm going to put it over here. You have to turn it on at some point.
Okay.
But right now we're going to start with the controller. On my phone, I loaded up the DJI Fly.
DJI flat.
And that's what it looks like. But it has to be the other way around.
Okay.
And then you go Connect Guide. And then you find your drone, which there are tons of them. And then it tells you, you open up your controller and put your things on. So I'm going to do that now.
Okay.
And then you turn it on. Little gimbal things out. Screw them in. My hands are shaking. Make sure they feel good. This out. I'm not sure if it has to be like that, like that.
What are those, like antenna?
Those are the antenna, because it's an enhanced Wi-Fi, they say.
Enhanced
It's not the
Wi-Fi.
fancy system that the big ones use. Press once, and then press and hold until it...
Oh, it makes little noises.
And now it's ready. Now I can plug my phone in. Carefully connect it up.
Oh, something happened.
Oh, it says DJI
Oh,
Fly.
like, why is it charging your...
It says always open DJI Fly when... yes. Okay. Oh, now I've got to undo the aeroplane.
Wait, we haven't finished connecting the phone.
How do you make it so it holds the phone in place? Oh, this is complicated. So now I've opened it up like they instructed, and then you short press and then long press.
Oh,
Oh,
it's
doing
alive.
something. Oh, the thing's moving. Oh, now it's back to being stable.
And there's lights on.
Unable to connect to aircraft. Update. I have to do an update.
Oh my word. Flashing green, yes.
I think it might be updating from the...
From your phone. By the time we've done this update, we're going to need to charge it again.
I've already done the connection. Oh, here we are. Oh, I can see myself.
Oh my word.
Look, look, it's me. You can see me. Haha, hey me.
That's so cool.
It really is.
Now we got sunflower.
So everything on auto for now. Okay, for Mauritius we're allowed to go to 122, so we're going to keep it at 120 maximum height. And we're going to make it fly very close to home.
Yes, yes. Don't go far.
We'll go 980 meters. I think that's pretty cool.
Cool.
Okay.
What
Now,
about the home point?
the home point, we
Oh.
don't have one yet.
Okay, so where we start, when we start.
Yeah.
We...
Okay, now, can you see this?
Take off with caution. No
But did you see
GPS.
that? The gimbal, I'm moving it
Wow.
so it can look at us.
Remotely with your... Hey little buddy, don't worry, you get a name soon. It's Tammy and Susie. In true Brian fashion, wasn't recording.
Oh man!
Switched it off and it turned on.
Yeah.
You want to try that again?
Recording. I'm recording now.
Are you sure?
Take off. Oh, I can check it on the map. Yes, it's on the map. Okay, you can see me. I'm going to turn you around so you can see Ricky. Oh no, that's the wrong one.
Left.
Tammy and Susie, and there's Ricky. Now, I don't know if you can do something like focus on Ricky. No. So up we go. And now we're going to look down at Ricky.
Hello.
And there she is. And then I'm going to turn it around. And there's me. Oh man, that is so cool. I don't know if I want to go higher.
No. There's wires. Come this way. Whoa.
And just make us look at me again. As I panic landed. I think I'm actually low enough that I can land. Oh man! Oh man, that was so much fun. I'm still nervous, but I need to get some good flights in, so I'm going to do some more practice. Thanks for helping me get my drone.
Yes, thank you everyone who
Thanks
contributed.
everyone from the Patreons and the guys on
Buy me a coffee.
Buy Me a Coffee. We really do appreciate it, and we'll be looking for a name soon.
Yes.
Well, anyway, everyone, thanks for watching. See you again next time. Ricky Wave from behind the scenes.
Bye.